Adrian. Welcome to the full edition of the Data Innovation Summit here in Stockholm. You have been with Hyperight's events before, and it's really a pleasure having you back again. Before we go on, just tell us more about yourself, your background.
Yes. So thank you for having me. This is an unbelievable opportunity, and I love the people and the events that you're organizing. So my name is Adrian. I'm coming from Demant, which is a hearing aid company. We're doing hearing healthcare. So we help people with hearing deficiencies from diagnosing the problem to actually solving it, all throughout the value chain. And I think it's a fantastic company to be in. We're around 18,000 people worldwide. And I'm really happy to be part of this journey of helping people and making their lives better. I'm a data analyst in my department, and I deal a lot with advanced analytics and reporting. So I'm very close to the numbers and very close to the processes that we do today in the company.
So, Adrian, you presented on the Applied Analytics, Data Science, and AI stage on how to introduce data science in big companies in short terms. Can you please just a short recap?
Yes. So I wanted to figure out a way of how to do this and make it as a cookbook. So essentially what I did, I combined one of my biggest passions, which is making food, and data science, right? And the way you do it just like you're cooking a new recipe. So there's a step-by-step process into introducing data science because it's such a hot topic, especially for companies that are not used to data science, that are running on inertia or they're running on gut feeling and not data-driven. It can be a little bit of a clash of ideas with people that have been there for a long time. So there is a lot of politics involved and a lot of stepping, in the right places. So you actually present the insights and you present the value of data science. And that's something that you need to do in a very structured manner. There's a methodology to it that I think we've discovered in while we try to do projects. And I think it was a good opportunity to share with other people that have the same struggle or the same issue or challenge to present this to their company.
One of your key points was how to create a mastermind group.
Yes.
What's a mastermind?
So a mastermind is a term coined by Napoleon Hill in 1925. He studied all of the successful people in the world, and he saw that all of the successful people and accomplished individuals, they were surrounding themselves by equally successful people from other industries. That's why the rich got richer, because they would meet together from different industries, so there was no clash of interest or conflicts of interest. And they will just share their challenges and they will help each other. So their individual brains work better when they were put together into one big brain, like one mastermind. So there was no, cannibalizing on each other's profits because they were in very, very different industries. So they would help each other from their experiences and from their collective intelligence. And I think this is a very good term because we do this today. We just don't know it. Husband and wife, parent and child, you are on the same level because we don't know that it's called a mastermind, but it is there. And it's something really incredible. If you work in a team and you resonate and you work as one mind, you will solve a problem much faster than when you're trying to do it individually in different silos. So bringing people together that are enthusiastic about an idea is a mastermind in itself. And it is something that people need to be aware of because it's such an incredible tool to be aware of and use it in daily work.
You highlighting the people aspect of data science. But with all the buzzwords like AI, automation, they keep thriving. How's data science doing and how it will be affected? According to Gartner, the analytics output of business users with self-service capabilities will surpass that of professional data scientists in the very near future. So are they going to be automated?
So I want to crash this rumor that automation is going to put data scientists out of business. I think a lot of processes can be automated, and they should, because it's time consuming. Preparing the data, massaging the data, engineering the data, some of it. But at the end of the day, data science is a field about people. And I don't think people will ever go out of business because you need the actual person that knows what he's doing. You need to understand the business. You need to understand the processes. You need to go and talk with people. And that's a skill that will never be. Yes, exactly.
So there are still organizations who have just started the journey. At least they are, and there are some who are even working on perfectionism. So according to your expertise, what are some of the challenges of building this data team?
I think a lot of companies have fallen into the trap of the buzzword AI and data science. And you can see that people are, and companies are trying to find the best data scientists that they can attract to them. And then they feel like they're going to do great because they build this team of experts. But I feel like the biggest commodity in the future will shift to curiosity instead of data science. So data science is something finite. It's something that you can learn. It's something that if you sit 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, you can learn it. It's not rocket science. It's data science. Yeah. But, curiosity, having that curiosity of going, doing the legwork, asking questions, being energetic and motivated by it. That's a different kind of mindset that you need to find. And people should start looking into finding enthusiastic people and curious people rather than the best of the best. You could do that, but you need to find someone that strikes the balance, that is really, really energized by data and answering questions. Exactly.
Okay, one final question, Adrian. With all of this AI hype and the latest trends, what do you think we can expect in the near future?
I think we can expect a lot of good things. Data science will become, data is a commodity, will become the commodity of the future. So I think we can expect a lot of good things. I think we can expect much more value added to our daily life because of AI and data science. We'll be able to make better decisions, buy better houses with a better price, buy a better car, improve our healthcare. A lot of healthcare providers use data science to improve patients' lives. So I think at the end of the day, it will be more value for our daily life, and we will feel that in a couple of years, for sure.
Adrian, thank you for being yet again with us. Thank you for conducting this interview.